Number 1 is to build up your confidence. Half the battle is getting yourself mentally prepared to step back into the job search market. Remember that you're not alone, and many others are experiencing this as well as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Tip number 2 is to renew and refresh your resume. Use a new template and update your descriptions to match your current experience. My next tip is to reinvent your wardrobe. This is important because when you look good, you feel good. So go out there and find some affordable professional attire to wear to your interviews. Tip number 3 is to utilize networking. Use your past connections to help navigate your path to your new career. Tip number 4 is to practice interviewing. Look up commonly asked interview questions on our blog and have someone pretend to ask you them as the interviewer. Respond to them and learn how to craft your answers in a professional way. You can also record this session with a video camera or your phone and rewatch it so that you can critique yourself and give yourself feedback. Lastly, do some self-discovery. You want your new job to be better than your old one prior to your unemployment gap. So figure out what you like and figure out what kind of company culture you can see yourself working in. For more helpful content, make sure to check out our blog.